So many of you are probably wondering what the heck is xylitol. It sounds kind of chemical-like, but this product is actually derived from nature. So xylitol is harvested from fruits and, the cob from corn. So my first instinct is, oh, it comes from corn, it has to be GMO, which is not good for you, and so I wasn't a fan. But their product is actually harvested from wood, which is another source of xylitol. And it is non-GMO, so you don't have to worry about that. And it comes in multiple sizes, which I'll show you. But xylitol is, it's a different substitute, at least their product. It's kind of grainy, so it's not fine like sugar or powdered sugar or anything like that. And if you do have diabetes, it's a good sugar substitute. I've also read that it's good for ear infections, but it is not good for your pets, whether they be small pets like a hamster or something, or even a dog. It's very dangerous. But I did get to try this product. So it is non-GMO, it has no wheat, gluten, soy, or dairy. It is a good substitute for natural sugar. And it can even be just a good exchange instead of using natural sugar when it comes to dental caries. So xylitol will actually not form an acid that's released in your mouth like sugar will. So if you go to bed and you've had something with sugar in it, it'll form an acid, and then the bacteria feed off of it, and it's just not good, and that's how dental caries are formed. So this is a good substitute. It doesn't do that, so it's better for your dental health. So with these products, it comes in 3 different sizes. So I have this isn't the largest size. So this is the largest size, which is pretty much a lifetime supply. I don't think you'll need something this big unless you're really baking a lot. I don't use natural sweeteners too often. If I'm going to be baking, I do. I don't really have coffee, so this might be a little bit too much for me, but this is 5 pounds, so this is huge. Your second size is, this is the 25 pound. So this is, 5 pounds. This says 25 pounds. That's strange. So 1,134 grams. But this is still pretty big. I would recommend this one if you're kind of, if you're a huge fan of xylitol. This is non-GMO. Once again, I've seen some organic xylitol, but I don't know if I've seen non-GMO. And then you have the smallest size, which I like this because if you're traveling or you really need your sugar, you can take this with you, and they have the resealable tops and everything.